Hello, folks. I am Shobhit, and today I am about to discuss the reason why people cannot score 79. Usually, the majority of people are being able to score 77, 74, or 78. But why they are not being able to score 79? This is a most prominent factor in this test which everybody wants to know. So usually people are thinking that 77 and 79 is the difference of just only 2 points. But honestly, this is not true. Usually this is the difference of two levels. 77 stands for C1 level and 79 stands for C2 level. As you know, that embassies are qualifying the credential of a candidate on the basis of CEFR level. CEFR stands for Common European Framework for Reference of Language. Actually, what is CEFR and why embassies have concern with this one? Usually, there are many types of exams those are accepted by embassies to grant you a visa to Canada or Australia, such as IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, CAE, and many more. Usually, the scores of IELTS is not like band. Pearson score like non like points. So, how the embassy may be able to identify the credential of a candidate? This is the reason why embassies have introduced their own parameters which are non like CEFR level. So this is a benchmark suggested by peers, embassies to Pearson, that embassies are saying to Pearson that we will consider your 65 points is equal to C1 level, but we will consider your 79 point is equal to C2 level. So if a candidate could score 77, but still that candidate stands for C1 level, not C2 level. This is the reason why you require at least 79 in each to be scored 20 points. We can clear this concept by understanding a phenomenon. Suppose today evening, Embassy has announced that now onward we will accept 82 as C2 level. So, what will be your requirement? Is it 79? No, dear. This will be your 82. Why? Because you require to qualify C2 level, not 79. So, what is the difference between C1 and C2 level? If we couldn't understand that phenomenon, it might be very, very difficult for anybody to be graded for C2 level. You, this is type of people who are not being under, who is not understanding that what is different between C1 and C2 level. They are always struggling and stacking up to 65 or 78 points of PTE academic exam. And usually, how much time do anybody requires to be scored or to be able to score 79 point? So I think that maximum required 15 days. The reason is not here that PTE academic exam is a learning exam here. We are not offering any learning here. We are doing an skill operation. So few things I will suggest you to impart in your presentation. Few things you have to avoid in your presentation. What are those things? If we could understand, so then it will be very easy for anybody. So first of all, I wish to say that PTE academic exam is not an English language test like Indian educational exam, where each question has its own weightage, where an examiner of PTE academic are testing four skills of a candidate of various activities: read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, read a lecture, answer short questions, some write written text, essay writing, uh, some uh, and answer short question, highlight incorrect word, highlight text summary. These are actually different activities of which they are testing your various types of skills. For example, highlight correct summary is affecting your listening and reading score both. On the other hand, read aloud is affecting your reading and speaking. Parallelly, some right index is affecting your reading and writing score. So, to crack PT academic exam in first attempt is very easy if aspirant knows that how the software or an examiner of the Pearson is grading the performance of a candidate. So the concept of the test results is depend on the skill profile. So it is unnecessary to understand the difference between C1 and C2 level. So what is the exactly requirement of the grading pattern of the embassies and Pearson, including your British Council and IDP and OET also to grade a candidate C1, C2 level. That I will discuss in next video. Thank you. Thanks for your time. See you soon. Till then, bye and enjoy.